Hi, I'm Marius. I'm the Program Manager here for Engineering at Brooklands Technical College. So this is our new top-of-the-range simulator from Forward Sim Racing. It's a simulated environment, so it's good practice for the learners to race. A controlled environment, so they're not going straight out onto a racetrack. It gives them the opportunity as well to set up things like suspension, steering, braking, telemetry, all sorts of different things, try different cars, different racetracks that we'll be going on. So at the moment we're racing on Alton Park, which is the second race in our 6.21 series. I think here at Brooklands Technical College we need to be innovative. This is the top of the range technology, and it actually gives the students the best chance going to these races to win. So we've got the competition there, and we want technology at the heart of what we're doing in the future. So we've got a race in 2 weeks' time at Snetterton in Norwich with one of our race cars, which will be ready for that. We've got another couple of cars which will be going into that in the future, and we've also got a Mini which we're going to do as a time attack car, and we'll hopefully be bringing back our Renault Formula race car as well, single seater. So we're trying to get all of our students involved. So we've got our foundation degree motorsport students, we've got our BTEC students, we're going to have our T-level students involved. We're trying to involve all of our students. It's been fantastic. They pushed each other, they're really caring for each other, trying to push each other to be better as well, giving each other feedback, turn here, brake there. And we're using it as a bit of a reward as well, so where attendance is high, they're doing really well in their studies, then we give them an opportunity to come and have a little play as well. I just think it's fantastic and everyone needs one.